Introduction. A quest for knowledge and reach greetings, fellow knowledge seekers. As a lifelong educator and scientist, my passion has always been to share the wonders of mathematics and science with as many people as possible. YouTube, with its vast reach and potential, became my chosen platform. But it wasn't just about the numbers. It was about the impact, the connections, and the community that could be built. And so, armed with my knowledge and enthusiasm, I embarked on this quest for 1 million views. The early days, from humble beginnings. Every journey has a starting point, and mine was no different. I vividly remember the first video I uploaded. A simple explanation of the Pythagorean theorem. The views were in the single digits, but that didn't deter me. I knew that consistency and quality were key. So, week after week, I meticulously crafted and shared videos, each one a little better than the last. Slowly but surely, the views started to trickle in. The power of engagement, building a community. Views are important, but engagement is the true measure of success on YouTube. I quickly realized that it wasn't just about broadcasting information, it was about fostering a sense of belonging, of being part of a larger journey. I actively responded to comments, encouraged discussions, and even incorporated viewer suggestions into my content. This not only deepened the connection with my audience, but also led to increased shares, and in turn, more views. The art of the thumbnail, the first impression matters. In the vast ocean of YouTube videos, the thumbnail is the first glimpse, the initial invitation. I honed my skills in creating eye-catching, informative, and curiosity-inducing thumbnails. A well-crafted thumbnail not only entices potential viewers, but also sets the tone for the video. It's a delicate balance of art and science, and I spent hours perfecting this craft, knowing that it could be the difference between a click and a scroll. The algorithm enigma, cracking the code. The YouTube algorithm. A mysterious entity that can make or break a video's reach. While I couldn't claim to have completely deciphered its intricacies, I did learn a few tricks along the way. Consistent posting, longer watch times, and high engagement were some of the factors that seemed to positively influence the algorithm's favor. But it was a constant learning process, as the algorithm's dynamics were ever evolving. Collaborations. The power of partnerships. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a community. And within this community, collaborations are the currency of growth. I reached out to fellow educators, scientists, and even popular YouTubers whose content aligned with mine. These collaborations not only exposed me to new audiences, but also enriched my own content through diverse perspectives. It was a win-win situation, with both parties benefiting from the shared reach and expertise. The tipping point, momentum and exponential growth. There comes a point in every journey where the momentum shifts and growth becomes exponential. For me, it was a video that unexpectedly went viral. The views skyrocketed, and suddenly, the 1 million mark seemed within reach. But it wasn't just luck. It was the result of months of hard work, building a solid foundation and constantly refining my content and strategies. The final stretch. Lessons, reflections, and gratitude. As I approach the 1 million views milestone, I can't help but reflect on the incredible journey it has been. The challenges, the triumphs, the connections, each one has shaped me as a creator and as a person. But above all, I'm grateful. Grateful for the opportunity to share my knowledge, grateful for the community that has supported me, and grateful for the impact, however small, that I've been able to make. The journey doesn't end at 1 million. It's just the beginning of a new chapter filled with even greater possibilities.